Unboxing. So I've been really busy. Sorry guys, I've been really behind in opening stuff and just... This is a pair of earrings that I ordered. So they became unavailable because they sold out. And then I saw them again, and so I got them. But I think maybe... Oh, I hate it when they get smushed like this. Do you see that? Like sometimes they get smushed in the I don't want to break it. Let me see if I can fix it. Okay, I think it's okay. But yeah, sometimes they get smushed. So they keep selling out of these, but they come in and out of stock. I really am not trying to buy any more like Coach jewelry, but sometimes I like it because it's really cute and I can't help it. But these I believe are currently sold out, but like I said, you never know with this stuff. They keep coming back in stock. This is I think it's the resin, yeah, something like that, resin. I think this was Coach Reserve, a Coach Reserve item. So I guess it's originally 125. These were I think I paid like 50 bucks for it. Since they came smushed and just kind of wrapped like this, I'm gonna disinfect them just in case. But yeah, I think I'm actually gonna wear these tomorrow. Okay. Let me know if you want to know anything about them. Also, before you buy stuff, I just unbox and show you, so like let me know, because these are all items that I buy with my own money and because I like them or I'm interested in them, but they don't always turn out great. So if they suck, if you're thinking about it, just message me and I'll tell you whether it's worth it or not, in my opinion, you know? All right, bye.